In this video we will see based algebra word problems. John has total 24 coins. All coins are in nickels and dimes. Total value of coins is $1.90. How many of each coins does John have? Here suppose x is equal to total nickel, y is equal to total dimes. So first we will make equation. X multiply with nickels means 5 cent. X is total nickel. So this multiplication provides value of total nickels. In same way, here y multiply with dimes. Dimes means 10 cents. This multiplication indicates the total value of dimes. So sum of total value of nickels and total value of dimes is equal to $1.90. So is equal to $1.90. But here nickel and dimes are in cents. So we will convert $1.90 into cents. Total is 190 cents. So this is our equation, but we have total 24 coins. X plus y is equal to 24. In other way, we can write like this: y is equal to 24 minus x. Here y is equal to total dimes and x is equal to total nickel. Now we have equation here: x multiply with nickel plus y multiply with dimes is equal to 190. This 190 in cents. So x multiply with nickel plus y multiply with dimes is equal to 190. Now we will simplify equation. So we will use y is equal to 24 minus x and this equation for further simplification. So this is the one equation and this is the second equation. So here 5x plus 10y is equal to 190. So both the side we will divide with 5. So next equation x plus 2y is equal to 38. Now we will put this y value in the equation. So x plus 2 in the bracket 24 minus x close the bracket is equal to 38. Now we will simplify equation. X plus 48 minus 2x is equal to 38. So plus x and negative 2x is equal to negative x. So negative x plus 48 is equal to 38. Now we will add both the side negative 48. So this positive 48 and negative 48 will cancel. So equation will be negative x is equal to 38 minus 48. 38 minus 48 is equal to negative 10. So negative x is equal to minus 10. Now both the side we will multiply with negative sign. So x is equal to 10. We know that x is equal to total number of nickels. So total 10 nickels. So John has 10 nickels. This is the one answer. Now we want to know how many dimes. So here the equation y is equal to 24 minus x. So x is equal to 10. So 24 minus 10 is equal to 14. As we know, y is number of dimes. So 14 dimes. So this is our answer. So here this math problem is solved. But if we want to verify our answer, then we can put our values in this equation. X multiply with 5 plus y multiply with 10. 5 means 5 cents and x is equal to 10. So we have 10 nickels. So 10 times 5 is equal to 50 plus here y multiply with 10. Here 10 is 10 cents and y is number of dimes, it is 14. 14 times 10 is equal to 140. So 140 plus 50 is equal to 190. Our answer is right. This is just information how we can verify our answer. Next example. One number is 7 less than the other number. 4 times the bigger number plus twice smaller number is 10. What are the numbers? Here suppose x is bigger number. So we need to put equation 4 times the bigger number. So for x plus twice smaller number. Smaller number is x minus 7 because we know difference is 7 here. So x minus 7 shows the smaller number. So 2 times smaller number is 10. So equation will be for x 4 times bigger number. Then this is the smaller number x minus 7. It is 2 times. So both are in a plus is equal to 10. So now we got equation. So 2x minus 14. So 4x plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 10. So 6x. When we add 14 both the side, this minus plus will cancel. So here 10 plus 14 is equal to 24. So x is equal to 24 divided by 6. We divide both sides with the 6. So this 6 same factor cancelled. So x is equal to 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So x is 4. X is bigger number. So smaller number is 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. Hope this video helped you understand examples of algebras. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.